What's with the knocking? You need to install one of these big bad boys. Let's do a quick unboxing. This is the extra doorbell camera. Nice little sticker. This is the manual for how to put all these big bad boys on. Nothing. We got the screws. Yeah, you see, we got the tools for the job to put this John on. So we got a screwdriver, which hopefully everybody has, screws for it to put it on, and different things that you need to use. And we got the battery. In our case, I charged this last night, and it came halfway charged, but it's not enough to do the job. Remember to charge it always before the installation. Also in this little pouch of goodies, we have the masonry bed, but we're not using that because we're not going to stucco or stone. And also included, we have wire connectors, but for our house, we're not using them because we never had an existing doorbell. But if somebody did have an existing doorbell, you would want to use this. Also, we have these two bad boys, and these are used for degreeing or angling your doorbell, but in this case, we're not using them. It also comes with a different faceplate, so you can change it whenever. Let's get started. Step 1, charge the battery. We already did that. Step 2, set up the app on your phone. I'll show at the end how to do that. Step 3, install your Ring video doorbell on your wall. Also, in the pouch, it came with this little level. And this level helps us to keep the doorbell straight. And then here, we're gonna mark this. Here's a tip. I like to start with putting the screw into the hole to get it started. Now we're gonna put the screws in. One last screw. We pop this sucker in. Here I am installing the app. This is me setting up the device now. Now, we put on the decorative faceplate. Last but not least, we add the security screw. That's it. What do you think, Shaq?